Hi guys, it's Mia here. So today I have a different kind of video for you. I will be reviewing and trying on for you some gorgeous lingerie sent to me by MARIEMUR. The link will be down below in the description. So to be honest with you guys, I've never worn this brand before. I've never touched it. I've never felt it. So I'm so surprised I don't have any MARIEMUR lingerie yet. I do now though. I'll tell you what, I do now and I will be getting more. So I'm gonna give you a very honest review. I wouldn't do it any other way. So first impressions, the box is luxurious. It's like a shoebox. It's amazing, sturdy. The packaging's fantastic, beautiful. The lingerie comes in these satin bags that are really soft and nice to keep your lingerie in. They have a lot of leather and latex type of fabrics, so keeping it in these satin bags is absolutely ideal. So first up we have the Layla Lacquer panties. Again, I'll link all the items down below in the description box. Now these panties are fantastic. I don't know what else to say. They're luxurious. They feel like really good quality. They feel fantastic. My favorite thing about these is that they're adjustable. This is amazing. My body is so hard to dress for in general. But these panties are fantastic. The details are incredible. Their brand name is on every little part of them. They're very detailed and luxurious. Next up is the Nancy bra. Now, I actually ordered a much smaller size than I usually would have because that's how I like my lingerie to fit me. The sizing chart on their website is extremely accurate. I ordered this size on purpose. It's a medium. If you like a fuller bra, I would definitely recommend sticking to their sizing chart. It's very accurate. And again, this bra is extremely adjustable. Just check out the details. Amazing quality. The fabric feels so nice. Nice and shiny. The fabric is slightly stretchy, but you don't need to stretch it a whole lot when you have an adjustable back that's so adjustable like that, and the straps also essential. Absolutely. I don't know why all bras aren't made like this. And next up, they've sent me this gorgeous, you can't tell what it is yet. You don't know yet. I'll be trying these on for you soon. Just stand by. It's this beautiful fishnet dress, and the fabric's actually it's very thick. I don't feel like I'd rip a hole in this at all, even though it's, already full of holes. So this is the Tess fishnet dress. Next up, I'm showing you the Gigi bodysuit. Now this blew me away. The quality of this fabric is incredible. It's almost like it's similar to swimsuit material, but better. I can't explain it. It's thicker. It's not double lined, which is nice for lingerie, but it feels extremely secure. You could wear this out if you dare to. You could even wear it with jeans, I feel. Just showing you how stretchy it is as well. Also some fishnet tights, which are essential for every lingerie closet. Now these are crotchless, which if you know, you know. And then we have the Kelly choker. Now this is gorgeous. Now, this is a perfect size. I have a very skinny neck, so I'm glad this actually, it's very adjustable. It feels extremely good quality. And the details on the little metal parts is fantastic. It's just a lot of love has gone into this lingerie. Sorry, trying to get my camera to focus. If you're a lingerie fan, you're gonna love this.